Hi class, Mrs. Calvi for a couple more divisibility rules. So this will be it. Starting with the 9 rule. Now, the 9 rule states a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So this is exactly like the 3 rule. I'm going to do the exact same thing I do with the 3 rule. All right, so the sum of its digits. So let's say I have the number 462. So I have to first find the sum of the digits. So add 4 plus 6 plus 2. That gives me 12. And I'm looking to see if 12 is divisible by 9. Well, 9 times a number does not give me exactly 12. So 12 is not divisible by 9. Then 462 is not divisible by 9. Let's try another one. So let's say we had 401,274. All right, rule is add up the sum of its digits. So I'm going to add the 4 plus the 0 plus the 1 plus the 2 plus the 7 and plus the 4, right? Okay, so let's do this little by little. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So when I add up the sum of the digits, it's 18. So now I'm looking, is 18 divisible by 9? Or does 9 times a number give me 18? Well, in this case, the answer is yes. 9 times 2 gives me 18. So that tells me that 18 is divisible by 9. So because 18 is divisible by 9, the entire number is divisible by 9. So 401,274 is divisible by 9. Okay, let's move on to the 10 rule. The 10 rule is very simple. All right, so the 10 rule is a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends with a 0. So very easy. So if my number ends with a 0, it's divisible by 10. So if I have 480, it ends in a 0, that means it's divisible by 10. If I have 513, my number does not end in a 0, it is not divisible by 10. All right? If I had 1,456,210, well, my number ends in a 0. I know this entire number is divisible by 10. Pretty simple. All right, the last one we're going to go over is the 12 rule. Okay, so the 12 rule is the number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it has to meet the 3 rule, or not 2 and 3, 3 and 4, sorry. So a number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by both 3 and 4. All right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so I have the number 816. So as we said, it needs to meet the 3 rule and the 4 rule. Has to meet both, okay? 3 and 4. So the 3 rule was if we add the sum of its digits, and the sum is divisible by 12. So let's do that. 8 plus 1 plus 6. That will give us 15. So is 15 divisible by 3? So does 3 times a number give me 15 exactly? And the answer is yes. So because 15 is divisible by 3, 816 is divisible by 3. So it meets the 3 rule. Now let's check the 4 rule. If we remember, the 4 rule is the last 2 digits, if it forms a number that is divisible by 4, it's divisible by 4. So the number 16. Is 16 divisible by 4? Or does 4 times a number give me 16 exactly? 4 times 4 gives me 16. So 16 is divisible by 4. So 816 is divisible by 4. So that means it met the 3 rule and it met the 4 rule. So if the number is divisible by 3 and 4, it's automatically divisible by 12. So I know that 816 is going to be divisible by 12. Okay, that is it for now, and I will be talking to you soon.